is the evidence that online customers are more satisfied. Okay, in this product they are given two types of purchases. One is online, another one is in store. Okay, then the two sample data are given. That is the sample size and mean and standard deviation are given. Now we can calculate what is the question is the 5% level of significance is the evidence that online customers are more satisfied. We can conclude the solution is that is true or not. Okay. Okay. What is the data is given now?
The data is given is n is equal to 2000, x bar 1 is equal to 8.45, s1 is equal to 1.6, n2 is equal to 1800, x bar 2 is equal to 8.30, s2 is equal to 1.7.
Okay. The sizes are given, n1, n2 is given, and arithmetic means for x1 bar and x2 bar is given, and standard deviation for s1 bar, s2 bar are given here. Okay. What is the first step? We have to find that.
Should find the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis is not mu1 is equal to mu2, so there is no significance between two samples.
Okay. Null hypothesis can be found. There is no significance in the two samples. Next we have to find the alternative.
Alternative hypothesis. H1 is mu1 greater than mu2 one day where online customers are more satisfied.
Yeah. In this problem, they are given online customers are more satisfied. Therefore, we take the mu1 is greater than mu2. That is the single take test. Okay. What is the single take test? 5% level of significance. The table value. What is the result? 1.645. Okay. One day. 1.645. Here we compare this value for calculated result. Now, what is the formula for result statistics?
Statistical will be x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by root of x1 square and divided by m1 plus x2 square divided by m2.
Good. Okay, this is the formula for result statistics and reference between two samples. Okay, so now solve that problem.
Z is equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar divide root of s1 square and 1 plus s2 and 2. x1 bar is equal to 8.45, n1 is equal to 2000, s1 is equal to 1.6, x2 bar is equal to 8.30, n2 is equal to 1800, s2 is equal to 1.7. Now we substitute the formula. x1 bar is equal to 8.45 minus x2 bar is equal to 8.30 divide root of s1 square 1.6 whole square by n1 2000 plus s2 square 1.7 whole square divide n2 1800. 8.45 divide 8.30, 16 square by 2000 plus 1.7 divided by 1800. 0.15 divide root of 2.56 divide 2000 plus 2.89 divide 1800 is equal to 0.15 divide root 0.001 plus 0.0016 0.15 divide 0.053. Finally, the answer is 2.83.
Okay, now the calculated result is equal to 2.83. Okay, in single take test, we have to compare 1.645. 2.83 value is greater than 1.645. What is the conclusion for that?
2.83 is greater than 1.645. Therefore, x0 is rejected and x1 is accepted. We accepted the hypothesis online customers are more satisfied.
Okay. Now we accept the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis, online customers are more satisfied. Therefore, our conclusion is we accept the hypothesis, online customers are more satisfied. Okay. Now this is the way we have to find the problem.